Hello, this is Deborah Hardman, owner of Nature's Healing. Today we're going to talk about the Slique Essential Oil Blend. The Slique Essence is a unique blend of citrus fruits, citrus oils, and herbs that work together to aid effective digestion and support healthy weight management goals. Is that amazing or what? Especially when used in conjunction with the Slique Tea or the Slique Kit. Use it. I know that when using other the citrus oils in my water, it's great and refreshing. But using this Slique Essence in my water, it's actually more used as like a beverage. So you're getting like a food, and it will actually use to break down and all that stuff in your stomach. Instead of going straight through. So that's another thing that I really love about the Slique. It's, works on the appetite. And so when I take it, I actually use it as tea before I have a meal and stuff, with the aroma to it. It helps you to definitely manage that weight that well. So if you want to learn more, go to deborahhardman.com. If you have any questions, comment below, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.